Hi guys, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete, my home improvement and consulting channel. Today we are back at my brother's house, where we are busy creating a home gym. And Daniel needs some mirrors for his home gym. Just quickly, remember to subscribe to my home channel and click on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. So, in the previous video, I showed you how to paint the wall. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hang a mirror on a wall. Okay guys, there are several ways to hang a mirror on a wall, but I'll show you the best and easiest way to do it. And that's to glue it on and using a mirror adhesive. It's a clean look and no hardware involved. The product I'm using is from Den Braven. It's a mirror fix and also a fast drying adhesive. Also see in the video description down below a full list of all the tools you'll need for this job. Firstly, let's start by cleaning the wall. Although it's a freshly painted wall, I'm just making sure there is no dust on the wall. Also clean the back of the mirror with a cleaning agent and clean cloth. Then, make your marks on the wall where you want to place the mirror. The size of the mirror is 1.4 by 1.4 and we need to be at 600 from the ground level. The reason being, so it won't get bumped by the gym equipment. Also keep in mind the height in order to see yourself while exercise. For this job, 2 meters is more than sufficient. For a precaution, I'm also using double-sided tape on the corner and middle of the mirror, just to assist with the load bearing of the mirror during the drying time of the adhesive. Now, you can start applying the adhesive on the back of the mirror. It's fast drying, so don't take your time. You can either apply it in stripes or on knobs like this, just not too close to the edge to prevent squeeze out. Okay, it's time to place the mirror on the wall. But please don't do this alone. Ask a friend or friends to help you. Once the mirror is lifted, double check if the mirror is level. Then press firmly into the wall. Okay guys, we are at the last step. Apply strips of painter's tape on the top of the mirror until the adhesive is fully set, which is going to be about 24 hours. So guys, job done. Let's ask Daniel what he thinks about his mirror. Daniel,
Yo,
tell us what you think about your mirror.
I'm very happy. I like
Great.
it. Thank you.
That's a pleasure.
But I need to ask you for one more thing.
Yes?
It's hot. It's super hot. When working out, I need a fan. Would you be able to help me to install that?
I agree. No problem, Daniel. Yes. So please, check out my next video, how to install a fan on the wall. Have an awesome day and remember, keep it simple.